Hi, today I'd like to share with you another aspect of the credit assessment process that the banks will go through when looking at your business plan or your loan application. And it's all really wrapped around this thing of what are you going to do with the money. Now the first thing the banks will have a look at is what sector do you operate in. Now there are some banks who will put a limit as regards the amount of money that they will lend to a particular sector. And it may be that you've timed it wrong. You go in just when the bank has reached the amount of money that they want to lend as the maximum, and so you get a no. Taking it one stage deeper than that, there's some banks out there who will just say, as regards a certain sector, we're just not interested in lending at all. Those type of sectors are the ones that suffer in tough economic times. So at the moment, for example, if you're running a pub, a club, a hotel, restaurant, you're a speculative property developer, or you're into construction, it's very likely that your bank will just say, we're not into those sectors and unfortunately we can't help. So the first thing to do for you is to pick up the phone and just check from the bank's perspective as to whether they're interested in lending to your sector. If you've got past that first test, the next thing the bank will look at is, well, what exactly you're going to use the money for. And the key thing here is that the banks are looking to support businesses where they take the loan and it actually adds value to the business. So for example, if your loan is going to be buying a piece of equipment or a piece of kit that will allow your production capacity to increase by 50%, that's a tick in the box. If the money is going to be used to help grow your sales overnight, that's all good, positive stuff. But here's the thing, the bank is not going to lend you money for what I would call get me out of jail money. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you've got VAT arrears, PAYE, national insurance arrears, bank is unlikely to lend money to help you get out of that particular hole. It doesn't really add value or help move your business forward. So just bear that in mind. The third thing the bank will take a look at is how well developed is your product or service. The banks are not into helping you get a product to market in terms of taking an idea or a concept and turning it into reality. That's your job. As the entrepreneur, it's up to you to get that product ready to market. The banks are not into sharing any sort of risk like that. They nowadays will rather take a complete product and help you purchase stock or finance a debtor book. So there's a couple of things to think about. The sector, whether you've got a developed product, and also what exactly you're going to use the money for. Value adding stuff only. If you want to know more about how to get a bank loan, don't forget to check out my book Loan Sharp, Get the Business Finance You Deserve, which is available on Amazon and all other good bookstores. And if you want to learn more tips and ideas and strategies on raising finance, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the button above or just simply click the link below here. So thanks very much, and I hope you found that really useful. Thanks very much.